gaslighting disguised as concern. Here it is, the one almost everyone misses. I'm worried about you. You've been so forgetful lately. You should talk to someone. You haven't been yourself. I'm only saying this because I love you. It doesn't sound like an attack. It sounds like care. That's exactly why it's the most effective form, because pushing back on concern makes you look unstable, which proves their point. It's a perfect trap. Ask yourself one question. After their concern, do you feel supported or smaller? Real concern makes you feel accompanied. This makes you feel